Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. Today's recipe is this delicious bell pepper coconut rice that would replace your classic fried rice perfectly. Do you want to see how I made it? Then let's get started. First, I'm going to blend the garlic, habanero and onion. We'll use it to fry the rice. To my cleaned heated pot, I'm going to add some coconut oil. We're making coconut rice. Then I'll add some bay leaves. I'll add curry and thyme. Then the chopped onion pepper blend. I'll give this a mix for about 30 seconds. We're using this as a base to flavor the rice. Then I'll go in with my washed basmati rice. I only washed this basmati with warm water until the water ran clear. I did not parboil it. Now I'll begin to stir this on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're making coconut rice, guys. Coconut rice gets spoiled easily, but this will help it keep for longer and also help the flavors from the ingredients we added before the rice infuse into the rice properly. Let me also mention that you should use a wooden spoon for this. Please don't use iron or silicone spoon, else it'll break the rice grain and we don't want that. Now I'm going to add some white pepper, chicken bouillon powder, and then continue to stir fry for another minute. Don't worry, all the ingredients measurements will be in the description as always. Now I'm going to add some coconut milk. I'm using canned coconut milk for this. If you don't want to use the canned one or you don't have access to it, feel free to use your fresh coconut milk, okay? It'll still taste nice. Then I'll go in with 1 cup of meat stock. You can use chicken, beef, whatever stock you have. I'll give it all a mix until everything is well combined. Then I'll cover. Guys, have you noticed that I'm not going to add water? Yes, because I don't want to cook it with so much water. I want every bit of flavor to get soaked into the rice, and adding too much water will not help us. So I'll cover with a foil and the lid. You can see my lid has vents, so the foil is very important to help us trap in the moisture. This is going to cook for about 20 minutes on low heat, else it'll burn completely. Then I'll start to fluff it up. This one stuck the pot a little bit, even though I cooked it on low heat. That's because we don't have so much water in it, and we're trying to build flavor. We want so much flavor. Once I fluff it all up, I'm going to set it aside while I prep the rest of the ingredients. Here I have green onions, red onions, and my beautiful bell peppers. The green onions will be used to garnish the rice in the end. The red onions will be used to fry the oil, and I'll dice up the rest of the peppers. I have my cleaned wok heating up nicely. I'll add some coconut oil and then go in with the diced red onions. If you are still watching, it's because you're enjoying this video, so please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscription and the notification bell so you get notified because amazing recipes are coming your way, okay? I'll saute it a bit before going in with curry powder, thyme and white pepper. I'll give it a mix and then go in with all of the bell peppers. We don't want to over fry this because we are still going to stir fry the rice in this. This is just like making the stir fry for fried rice. By the way, if you want to see how I made the best Nigerian fried rice, please click on the link above to see. Once I stir fry this for about 30 seconds, I will season with some all-purpose seasoning. If you don't have this all-purpose seasoning, use the one you have or use chicken bouillon powder and a bit of salt. Then I'll go in with the sweet corn. The sweet corn is optional, you don't have to use it, but it just makes it even more beautiful. Once I stir this for another 30 seconds, I'll go in with the cooked basmati rice. If you have burnt bits like I do here, please remove it, okay? You don't want your guests or yourself eating all those burnt bits. I removed as much as I could, and then I'll continue to stir fry this until everything is well incorporated. We paired this rice with peppered hagfish. If you want to see how I made that perfect party style peppered hagfish, kindly click on the link above. Oh my god, it was so good. The coconutty flavor and that delicious hagfish. You don't want to miss that video, so please click the link. Once it mixes up nicely, I'm going to go in with the sliced green onions. Can we see how beautiful this is? I could not wait to start eating this because it was so delicious. Mix it all up nicely and take it off the heat because this rice is done. We have come to the end of this video, guys. As always, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here and thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button, subscribe and share this video. See you in my next one. Bye.